First problem. The orbit of the Earth is an ellipse with eccentricity 1 by 60 with the Sun at one of its foci, the major axis being approximately 186 into 10 power 6 miles in length. Then find the shortest and longest distances of the Earth from the Sun. So given that the orbit of the Earth is an ellipse, that is, this is the orbit of the Earth, that is, the Earth rotates around the Sun in this orbit. And also given that with its eccentricity is equal to 1 by 60, that is given that E is equals to 1 by 60. The Sun at one of its foci. So given that one of the foci is equals to Sun. So this is the Sun. The major axis being approximately 186 into 10 power 6 miles in length. The length of the major axis given, that is the value of 2a is given. This is 186 into 10 power 6. Length of the major axis being 186 into 10 power 6. Now find the shortest and longest distances of the Earth from the Sun. Earth rotates around the Sun in the orbit. For example, first we take that this is the position of the Earth, E1. E1 is the position of the Earth. And what is the distance between Earth and Sun, which is SE1. And for example, suppose this is the position of the Earth, that is E2. Then what is the distance between the distance SE2 is the distance between the Sun and the Earth. For example, this is the position of the Earth, E3. Then what is the distance between them, SE3. And for example, this is the position of the Earth. What is this? This is A dash. This is the position of the Earth. And what is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, SA dash. And for example, this is the position of the Earth. Then what is the distance between them, SA. Now clearly from the diagram, what is the shortest distance between the Sun and the Earth, SA. Here SA is the shortest distance between the Sun and the Earth. And what is the longest distance between the Sun and the Earth, SA dash. This is the longest distance between the Sun and the Earth. Now this is the center of the ellipse. Now we want the values of SA and SA dash. What is SA? SA is nothing but CA minus CS. What is CA value? CA is equals to A. And what is CS value? This is AE. It is between the center and the focus, AE. Now what is SA value? SA is nothing but CA minus CS. And what is SA dash value? SA dash is equals to CS plus CA dash. Here CA dash is equals to small a, CA is equals to small a. These two values are small a. But from the diagram, SA and SA dash. Now we want to find those two values. That's all. That's a given problem. So first we write the given data. Given that eccentricity E is equals to 1 by 60 and major axis being approximately 186 into 10 power 6. So given the length of the major axis, that is 2A is equals to 180 into 10 power 6. That is the value of A is equals to 93 into 10 power 6. Now we want the shortest and longest distances of the Earth from the Sun. Therefore first we are taking the shortest distance. Therefore clearly from the diagram we are taking these values. The shortest distance from Earth to Sun is equals to, the shortest distance from Earth to Sun is equal to, which is nothing but SA. When the Earth comes to this position, then this is the nearest point from the Sun. So SA is the shortest distance. So SA, and SA is equals to CA minus CS, that is A minus AE. From the diagram we have that value is equals to A minus AE. What is A into 1 minus E? A minus E is equals to A into 1 minus E. What is A value? 93 into 10 power 6 into 1 minus 1 by 60. And this is equals to 93 into 10 power 6 into 59 by 60. After taking the simplification, we will get the answer as 9145 into 10 power 4. This is the first answer. And the longest distance. And the longest distance from Earth to Sun is equals to longest distance, that is SA dash. S is the position of the Sun, and here when the Earth comes to the place of A dash, then this is the farthest point from the Sun. So this is the longest distance. So SA dash is equals to value, SA dash is equals to CS plus CA dash, that is A plus AE. In A common we get A into 1 plus E, that is A value 93 into 10 power 6 into 1 plus E, 1 plus 1 by 60, 61 by 60. After taking the simplification, we will get the answer as 9455 into 10 power 4. That's all. That's the answer.